Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering and preparing the headset. Charge it until the LED reports ready, and plug the USB-C wireless dongle into a rear USB 3. 0 port so latency stays low. Once done, install SteelSeries GG on your Windows 10 or 11 PC to get firmware and driver support. This step resolves many compatibility issues. Make sure the headset is turned on and the dongle's LED is solid. Pairing won't start if either device is asleep or uncharged. You now pair and configure audio. Put the headset into pairing mode by pressing the power/connect buttons as documented. The dongle and headset should establish a link in seconds. Next, open Windows Sound Settings and choose Arctis 7 Plus as both default output and default input to route system audio and mic. Once connected, open SteelSeries GG to install firmware updates and toggle features like surround sound, side tone, and mic monitoring so your sound profile matches how you game or communicate. You finish by verifying everything works. Run a mic test in the Windows Sound Control panel and speak in a voice app to confirm levels. Then tweak volume, EQ, and side tone inside SteelSeries GG so transmit and receive volumes feel natural. Make sure the battery indicator shows sufficient charge before long sessions. If the headset disconnects or audio stutters, replug the dongle into a different rear USB port, repair the headset, and reinstall or update drivers and firmware. This single troubleshooting tip solves most wireless issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.